Hi, I am Avinash. This is my final year in Instrumentation Control Engineering Department in Trichy. As a part of our product design and development course, we have developed a product. This is a product. It's a timer control power outlet. Each of these power outlets are controlled by separate timers. So these timer inputs can be given through these BCD switches. The BCD switches have the respective hour and minute ratings. You can change the hour and minute ratings by pressing the switches. So this will mean 8 hours and 1 minute. Similarly, all the timings can be set. These timer values are indicated using a 7-segment display. Here we have a 7-segment LED display to display the timer value. And this is a reset button. This reset button brings your timer back to 0. Here we have an on-off switch to on and off the device. And this is a fuse. It's just a protective measure to protect the device from very high loads. We also have individual fuses for all these 4 timers. I'll just be demonstrating the working of the product. First, just switch on the main button. I'll be using 3 LEDs just to show the on and off the outlets. I'm not going to use this outlet, so I'll just make it 0. These 2 outlets have been set for 1 minute and this has been set for 2 minutes. Now to start the timer, I'll just press the reset button. The counting starts from here. You see that since the A socket is not being used, here you have an indication. At the end of 1 minute, these 2 are supposed to switch off. You'll just be seeing that in quite a while. At the end of 1 minute, the socket has been switched off automatically, and even this has been switched off. To indicate that these 2 have been switched off, here we have LEDs. Now this is expected to switch off at 2 minutes. At the end of 2 minutes, all of these are off, and now here you hear a buzzer sound. This buzzer sound indicates that all the process has been over. This buzzer sound will last for around 30 seconds to indicate the user that the process is complete. Even though the user is at a distance, he or she will be able to hear this and know that the process has been over. You'll see that after some time it automatically gets switched off. So it's completely an automated device. No human interference is required for this. Hope you enjoy seeing the demonstration of the product. Thanks.